What defines perfection? Some say it is infallibility. Perfection, incorrigibility. For us, it is the courage to progress. For generations, we have been innovating specially developed systems and products and create connections ever since. From automotive to energy and industry, our application-specific systems promise our customers the highest quality and safety. We work globally and close to the customer, a successful combination of reliability, responsibility, and expertise. Our success is not only due to our first-class products, but above all to people who create something unique, respect and responsibility for our nature, as well as a clear view towards the future. We are convinced that this is the only way to develop excellent technology and advance our mission to innovate. Now, we reposition ourselves and return to where we belong, back to industry. IVOSTUD. We live stud welding.